Given the points A, -2, 4, and 4, 1, what you want to do is you want to start at the origin, and you're going to go over -2 to the left, so 1, 2, and then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that right there. And let's go to point B, which is 4, 1. So again, start at the origin, 0, 0. You're going to go, since it's 4, you're going to go to the right 4 units, and then up 1. Put a dot right there. Okay, next you want to connect the 2 dots, which I already did with my ruler. I'm going to extend it. And now what we want to do is we want to get the equation of this line. So the equation of line segment AB, or line AB. All right, so what we want to do is we want it in the form y equals mx plus b, and m is the slope, which is the rise over your run, and then the b is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, which is right here. So crosses here. So in this case, we see that it's going to be 3. But let's say we didn't know that. So how do we do that? And here, the first ordered pair, it's xy, all right? And then the other one's xy. Remember, this is the first y, x, and the second x, first y, and the second y. So to find the slope, you can use the rise over run, which I will probably use, and I'll show you 2 ways. Here, let's go down, right? 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's use a highlighter. So we went down and over. So we went down -3, going down is negative, and then over to the right, right? So going down and over. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then my slope is the -3 over 6. Simplify that, become 1, -1/2. Right, and then to get the y-intercept, we know that it's supposed to cross over at 3. So how do we do that? We want to plug into the equation y equals mx plus b. So here I already know my slope. I'm going to put it right here, -1/2. I'm looking for b, so I leave b alone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in for your y, okay, and your x. So I'm going to pick one of these 2 points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the easier one. So I'm going to pick b, which is 4, 1. All right, so let's go back to here. So I'm picking 4, 1. So in this case, my y is going to be 1. My x is 4. All right, so I picked 4, 1. So that's x, y. All right, so let's do this. So here what we want to do is we're multiplying half of 4. So half of 4 is 2, but we have a -1/2, so that's a -2 plus b. Now we want, this is an equation, so I want b by itself, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Cancels. I have 3 equals b. So my equation is y equals, my slope is -1/2 x plus 3. All right, and then I'm done.